later.
Good morning. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, I lost my voice because my allergies have been really bad. But in today's video, we are going to the beach. We are going to the beach. Oh, don't mind that I look like a glazed donut. I was wearing an overnight face mask. Yeah, today we're going to the beach with my friends. This is a little grad trip, and I'm super excited because I don't even remember the last time I've been to the beach. I don't think I've been to the beach since I've been in college, because, yeah. But, yeah, I need to pack my bag. I went to Target yesterday. I got a new bathing suit, a new cover-up, and I got some sunscreen and stuff like that, so that's really good. And I might need to eat something in order to take my allergy medicine, so I'm probably gonna make something or something like that before I leave. And then we're gonna be on the road. I'm so excited, and the goals that I want for today: play in the sand like I'm a little kid because I haven't been to the beach in forever. I want to get beach pictures because I think an iconic beach picture is needed. And to like play in the water, collect seashells, all that. So yeah, I'm gonna get to packing. Okay, for the bathing suit, we have this beautiful green color that I got from Target. So cute. It's adjustable here and on the sides as well. And then for the beach cover up, I got this like knitted set. So cute. Yeah. Okay guys, my friend is on the way. I'm so excited. I haven't been to the beach in forever, and I feel like a little like earthy garden fairy. Like my fit is so cute. I'll do like a fit check later probably when we're at the beach, but I just feel so pretty. I just put blush on and lip gloss, and that's about it. And I went ham with my skincare, and I put my ponytail on. I'm ready to go to the beach. Oh, I don't even know if I showed you guys my bathing suit, but it's green, so that's why I wore this. And wearing bangles as well. Yeah, I just feel so cute. Okay, guys, I'm gonna wait for my friend. Bye. What the heck is that?
No, I think it is.
Yeah, that's a jellyfish, bruh.
Hello. Jiggle, jiggle. I kind of want to pet it.
No.
Several days later.
Hey guys, I don't really know what this vlog is. Sorry for not like vlogging or anything like that, but my allergies have been kicking my butt. Really, I've been out of commission for like a whole week, but today I'm getting back and I'm feeling better and I'm getting back to routine. I need to clean today. I'm gonna go to walk. Um, yeah. And my mom's birthday is at the end of this week, so we're gonna be doing more stuff and I want to vlog with you guys. So this is just gonna be like some random days in my life, post-grad, you know? Nothing too serious, just here with y'all. But yeah, first things first, I just ate breakfast. It was really good. I made breakfast and then I ordered matcha because I was really craving matcha. But now I'm about to go on a walk. For the past couple of days, it's been pouring rain. If you guys have seen that New York has flooded, Connecticut has also been getting like a lot of rain. So yeah. And that poor girl that got flooded away. Poor her. I'm so sorry. But yeah. And yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do today. Just cleaning, tidying, getting back on track from being literally sick in bed all week. It was not fun. I'm starting to feel a little bit better, but I'm still obviously stuffy and stuff. So yeah. Let's go. Okay guys, I am back from my walk. It was such a good walk out. It is super hot out and I literally sweat my slip back out. So I'm just gonna wear like this for the rest of the day. But yeah guys, I'm going to now clean the dirty room behind me because don't even because I've been sick all week and you know when you're sick your room just gets germy and you don't want to get out of bed and it's been raining all week, so that's just adding more on top of it. So today we're gonna clean the room. Wait, why do I feel snatched? Okay. Anyways, yes, I'm getting back to it. I've been sick all week. I've been down all week, but now I'm coming back up. So, yeah, let's get to cleaning this room. Okay, guys, when I say don't judge me, like when I said I've been sick, I've been sick. So when I say don't judge me for how this room looks right now, please don't. And was that a booger? Oh my gosh. Anyways. But yeah, please don't. Room reveal. Okay guys, we are in my kitchen. I'm gonna make myself a little snack. It's currently like 3 something and the bonnet is back on because when I was cleaning I had to take that hair off. But I'm gonna try and make a yogurt bowl even though I'm not the biggest fan of yogurt, but I'm trying to eat healthier, trying to slim down, you know? So we're gonna make this yogurt bowl together and it better eat, you know? Okay, so I'm completely making this up, but here are the ingredients I have. This is the fake total 0% Greek yogurt. I have a bowl right here. So, yeah. It literally looks like cottage cheese. Anyway. So I'm gonna put this in the bowl. Raspberries, they're my second favorite fruit. Pineapple is my first favorite fruit. I'm gonna wash these off. That looks good. Now, for like my granola part, I'm gonna put like the cookie part of the Oreos. I know it's not healthy, but you gotta enjoy this some way somehow. And this is better than eating like ice cream or something like that. Just gonna crush it up like this. Boom, 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 boom. I'm gonna put honey on the raspberries. Drizzle honey. Okay, looking good, looking good. And I'm gonna put chocolate syrup. Wait, guys, I'm not even joking. This looks so bust right now. Okay, now we're time for a taste test. I'm excited. Okay. Cheers. Wait. Maybe y'all have been onto something with the yogurt bowls. Wait, I like this. This is good. Wait. Okay. Yeah. So I'm gonna eat this and now probably just chillax, watch YouTube. Yeah. I'm just a girl for real. Okay, I'll see you guys back when I'm doing something. Good morning, y'all. It is Wednesday. And today I'm going to be running a couple of errands and going to the movie theaters to see Michael Jackson. So yeah, but I'm just gonna make breakfast because it's the morning time. And yeah.